again. It's a redskin.
Welcome back to another video, guys. So I've had a little package turn up from Born Pretty. Bit of a weird one this month. I didn't know whether to just do a video, do a nail design with it, but half of it I'm not quite sure what to do or how it acts. So I thought I need to have a little play with these. They're pigments and one of these chrome palette thingies. So I thought if I've got to have a little play with them, I'll do it on camera. This, I thought it was a set of 6. Well, it was a set of 6, the link. And apparently, no, it was just one. If it was just one, I wish they would have asked me to pick a colour. Because normally, if it's a set, like gel polish or whatever, you pick the colours. So I wish they would have asked me to pick the colour. I'll stick a picture up on the screen. I like all the colours except this one. This would have been the last one I went for. But it looks really, really nice. And the reason I wanted these was because they are ultra, ultra thin. Almost like a powder. And I thought I could mix this in with gels. And it's ultra fine. It's like a reflective pigment. It's beautiful. Let me see if I can show you a little bit better what it would look like with a flash on it. Look at this, guys. Isn't that gorgeous? Yeah, I definitely need to get the other colours. That is beautiful. I know there's a lot of reflective gels about, but because this one is a pigment, I love it. So definitely need to do something with that, and I definitely need to get the other colours because I've not seen it in a pigment. It's beautiful, that, isn't it? And then these three these come in a set of 6 as well, but you can buy them all individually. These are pigments and they are thermal colour changing. Look at that. Oh, that's got a bit of pink mixed in it. Yeah, it's just a purple matte pigment. I'm going to give all these a swatch in a minute anyway. Yeah, I'm going to swatch these in a minute and show you how you can use them instead of a gel polish. So you get this eyeshadow applicator with them pigments as well. And lastly, I've got this. This is a chrome palette. I've got loads of chromes, but I've actually never had one of these that are a compact. So this is number 005. They've got a few different ones of these to choose from. Oh, it's got a cling film on it to stop it from leaking, hasn't it? Alright. So this one looks like it's got a gold, a silver, a rose gold, and then it's got 3 of these Aurora ones. These Aurora ones look stunning. Gosh, that was hard to open. Yeah, these Aurora ones look stunning. So that's like a peachy one. Oh my gosh, look at this. And then this is more like a pinky purple one. Oh wow, look at that. And then this looks like a... Oh my gosh, look at them. Definitely got to swatch them. So I'm going to get some little tidbits and stuff out and we'll just have a quick nosy at them today. Guys, I forgot. No, I didn't forget. I've only just found out on the website. This reflective powder, not only is it reflective, it's thermal. It changes colour in the heat. So we're definitely going to have to give that a try. That's so cool. Right, so I'm going to start with this little palette. Bring you in a bit now. So, the gold, the silver and the rose gold, they all need to go over a black. So I'm just going to swatch them over a black. Now with any chrome powder you need a no wipe top coat. No, that's a base coat. Yeah, so just grab any old no wipe top coat. It has to be no wipe. And yeah, you use a no wipe top coat. Right, I'm going to cure them. I'm going to cure that for 20 seconds instead of 30. I'm going to try these Aurora ones, each one. I'm going to try it on its own, over a white and over a black. Because I think you're going to get different effects for all of them on different colours, aren't you? Right, let's go with this. Right, let's start with the gold. So I'm just going to rub it into my eyeshadow applicator and then rub it into this no wipe top coat. Oh wow, this is a good chrome. This is a good chrome. That went on so smooth. And it doesn't look grainy. Some chromes look a bit grainy. Oh, that's a good chrome. I've missed a bit. See, I don't think it's quite cured in the lamp up the top there, but look how smooth that is. Ignore the top part. Right, I need to get these rubbed in before the top coat cools down. I like to do it whilst the top coat's still warm. Oh, guys, I'm not even going to lie, this is the smoothest chrome powder I have ever used. Smoothest chrome powder I have ever used. Look at that. These are beautiful. Let's try this rose gold ones. I don't know what it is about these chrome powders. They just seem to go on. Beautiful. Oh, I like them. I like them a lot. Look at that. How smooth were they? Oh my gosh. Right, let's go on to this peach one. I'm going to try it over clear, white and black. And then I'll let you know what I think. So you can't really see it over clear much or white, and that's it over the black. Look at this. Wow, I really, really like it. Right, let's go. Let's do the next one. You just don't even need to rub them in. Just from one side to the other, done. Wow, I love these. So can you see it over the clear? Yeah, it's a shame you can't really see it over the white on camera, but you can off camera. So that's the pink one, pinky purple one, next to that one. They are different. Right, let's crack on and do this last one. Guys, have you seen how easy this stuff applies? So that's that one. Shall we have a look at them all together? They applied beautifully. Yeah, super smoothest chrome powders I have ever used. They were really, really nice. I'm well impressed with that. So out of that one little palette, you can use it for so many different effects, can't you? These would look nice over a colour as well. Yeah, they really impressed me. Look at that blue. Yeah, that really, really impressed me actually. I've never had a chrome powder apply so easy and smoothly like they did. Right, this video has cracked on a little bit, so I'm just going to show you how to apply one of these. So these can be applied two ways. You can apply them over tacky layer of a base coat. I think that's what we'll do today. Or if you're doing an ombre, you can apply them over a matte top coat. Ombres are best over a matte top coat, but I'll show you if you want to do a full nail in this colour, I would do it over a base coat tacky layer. But if you're doing an ombre, I wouldn't do it over a base coat tacky layer. It's too wet and sticky. It won't spread and fade out properly like an ombre. For an ombre, I would use a matte top coat. Right, I'm just going to stick that in the lamp for 30 seconds. That's the base coat. And then I'm just going to use an old, this is a pigment brush, just an old fluffy brush, what I use for pigments. Right, so that base coat's been cured. I'm just going to try and tap it in first and cover the whole nail, rather than brushing it, because you don't want to brush any of that tackiness off. So kind of just pat it. I've put far too much on there. Far too much. And then once it's all patted in, you can sweep it off then. Brush all that excess off. And then to top coat, again, I would use an old top coat, glitter top coat, pigment top coat. Or you could go over that with a base coat if you want to give it a second coat. Like if that happened on a nail, you would want to cover them, because it's only a swatch stick. Now, when you're encapsulating this pigment, you want to get a decent amount on your brush and kind of float it. Try not to brush too hard. Just kind of float your top coat down, just so you don't drag too much of it off. And there you've got a full nail of beautiful pink. How pretty is that? That's beautiful colour, isn't it? Silky smooth. So I'm going to cure that. I'm just going to give these other two a quick swatch, and then we'll see what they look like colour changing. Right guys, when this package first arrived, I wasn't excited, not really, I'm not going to lie. But I'm absolutely over the moon with everything in this package. So I've already showed you the chrome thingies, so I won't show you again. Well impressed. Guys, these little pigments, without a doubt, I'm getting the full set. And this little glitter reflective pigment, without a doubt, I'm getting the whole set. So these are all the pigments. I thought they're going on a bit sheer. It's because when I was pulling them out the lamp, they were changing colour. Guys, that is 2 coats. Like, look how creamy and bright and opaque they are. They are amazing. Right. So I've got some hot water and some cold water. So these are already cold, I'm presuming. So let's try the red one. Are you ready? Look at that, it's gone orange. Oh my gosh, it's gone orange. I love this. Let me just get some paper to clean it. So that one's gone orange. Let me just move these out of the way. That one's gone orange. Let's do the purple one. Oh, that's not changed much. It's gone to a lighter shade of purple, hasn't it? It's gone lighter. Not much of a change on that one. Let's try the green one. Oh, that's gone yellow. Oh, wow. These are so much fun. These are going to be good for summer because they're really bright colours. Hot or cold, aren't they? So that's them hot. Let's stick them all in together. And then we can watch them change again. So that's them hot. And then let's watch them change cold. And that's them cooled down again. Oh wow, they are so bright and vibrant. You would have no idea they are a pigment powder, would you? Just because of how smooth and creamy they are. Love them. But yeah, anyway guys, turned into being a bit of a long video, didn't it? Without a doubt, I want the rest of these pigments and I want the rest of these thermal thingies, thermal glitter powders, and I want all these. Well impressed today. Anyway guys, that is it for today. I will leave links for everything below. Don't forget you can get 20% off all of this on the Born Pretty website. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Take care, bye.